Okay, everybody, Grumpy's Diesel here today. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about maintenance. We'll make it real quick. I want to give you an example of why it's important to use good filters. We have a situation here where guy did his own oil change, went down and bought a whatever brand, it doesn't matter, filter that he ran for a while and then started having some problems with the truck, so he brought it into us. Some smoke, low power issues. What we found, and let's look real close here if we can, the filter used the gasket. This is part of it, is on the bottom. The other part of the filter is stuck in the oil filter housing, which is actually down in this area. And what happened is you can see the filter crushed. It stopped the flow of oil, ended up burning up his turbocharger. We're now looking at probably $8,000 in repairs over an oil filter. What I'm getting at is $20 oil filter maintains the life of your truck and prevents future repairs. I just real quick, I want to show you the difference in some of these filters. Here's a aftermarket filter. It appears very like the Motorcraft, but what they do is they use a lightweight paper, and to keep it from collapsing, they use a plastic liner and they have little holes in it to let the oil through. The Ford filter, wide open. So I guess in summary, a little preventive maintenance, the right parts, saved a bunch of money.